Hi viewers, today we will talk about superpowered humans that science can't explain. When we talk about superpowers, we usually imagine some super muscular person who can fly wearing a cap, or maybe some guy throwing a shield at a bad guys and then saving the day. However, superpowers can be something as unique as being able to solve nerve cracking mathematical problems in under 60 seconds. We are surrounded by people with extraordinary powers, and sometimes science cannot explain why they are different. Here are the few examples. Ingo Swann, he is called as a father of remote viewing. For those who don't know, remote viewing is the ability to describe almost everything in a remote graphical location. This location can be as far as several hundred kilometers from where the person is currently located. In a way, the person in question is placing themselves subconsciously out of their body and traveling to some other location. While this may seem completely unbelievable, there have been quite a few people who are known to have this ability. One of the most famous person with this superpower is Ingo Swann, who managed to describe the rings around the Jupiter long before NASA discovered them. If Ingo Swann can look at the things that are out of his sight, then meet Stephen Wiltshire, a man who cannot forget any images that he come across. Stephen Wiltshire was diagnosed with autism at the tender age of 3 years. Over the years, he has developed into quite an artist and paint enthusiast. You may ask what the superpower he is. Stephen can draw the cityscapes after having a look at them for once. He is known for his ability to observe accurate representations of the cities for mere seconds and draw them with a pinpoint accuracy. In May 2005, Wiltshire produced his longest ever panoramic memory drawing of Tokyo on a 32.8-foot long canvas within 7 days following a helicopter ride over the city. Since then, he has drawn Rome, Hong Kong, Frankfurt, Madrid, Dubai, Jerusalem, and London on a giant canvases. While Wiltshire took the helicopter ride over Rome, he drew it in such a great detail that he drew the exact number of columns in the Pantheon. Uri Geller. You have probably seen this in movies where people have powers to lift or at least bend objects with nothing but their mind. These people are in fact real. There have been a quite of lot studies where people have successfully bent metal objects. A very few have showcased the ability to move around these objects. Uri Geller is one such psych who publicly showcased his power by bending a metal spoon and then making it straight again. While no scientific reasoning have been provided, scientists now believe the power of mind is real and it should be studied further. Wim Hof. He is a living iceman. He has successfully showed scientists that he can control his core body temperature using nothing but meditation. By doing so, he has remained submerged in ice for 2 hours without affecting his core temperature, thus earning the nickname Iceman. He even went on to climb the Mount Everest in only his shorts and resist altitude sickness. And he also ran the Namib Desert without drinking any water. All these showcases his talent for controlling his own body without the external conditions affecting him. He is really crazy. Buddhist monks. These people are known for quite a lot of superpower like abilities. For instance, in the 1980s, Harvard professor Herbert Benson went with his teammates to do a little research about Buddhist monks, and they have found that those people can change the temperature of their fingers and toes by 17 degrees. The very same monks are known to live winter nights 15,000 feet high in the Himalayas. They can also dry wet cloths, bedsheet using nothing but body heat. How they do it is a still mystery. There are also meditators in India who can lower their metabolism by 65%, which allows them to survive without eating much. Meditating can indeed be the key of unlocking hidden superpowers among men. Daniel Tammet. Many people think that autism is a curse. However, Daniel Tammet seems to think it's any other normal disease. This particular boy has an indefinite memory as he has been known to successfully recitate the mathematical constant pi up to 22,414 decimal places just from memory. This is considered as an all-time European record. Apart from that, Tammet is also known to perform a lot of other complex problems at the same time which other normal human beings can't perform.